Hi, this is the post-sales video for the Canon XL2 video recorder with 20x zoom lens and accessories. Item number 2924554000583 for eBay user telewebstar, sold on or today's date's 26th of February 2018. So I'll go through the contents of the listing in a minute, but just to go over the terms and conditions. So due to the nature of being sold, or the item being sold, the contents of this item are sold as is and no returns are accepted. Policy has been put in place to avoid scammers purchasing the camera and taking parts from it and then requesting a refund. The winner of this will have to electronically agree with these terms. Please see the post-sales procedure, which explains in thorough details how you are protected as a buyer. And then the post-sales procedure: after payment has been made, all items will be checked over and a video will be made covering the cosmetic and functionality of the camera, including recording, playback, video output and PC connectivity. Links to the video will then be sent to the buyer for verification. Once verified and approved by the buyer, the item will be dispatched. And that's the whole purpose of this video. So what do you get with this? You get your camcorder, which is all nicely set up here. You get your 20x zoom, which is also connected. Lens, you get your battery, which is here as well. Zoom into that. You get your charger, which is also here. You can't see a serial on there, but it works because I've just charged the battery up on it. You get your leather case cover for your lens. Get your wireless controller, which I've now got set up and will demonstrate, and you also get one of these, which is I've never used this in my life. It's a new SCART converter cable, composite video. I've got my TV set up so I can show you the playback through the TV. I'll show you it through the lens as well, not the lens, the viewer even. But let's get started. So I'll get the battery and connect it in like so. Just to prove you that this is the right camera as well, here's the serial. As I stated on the listing, serial ends in 1068, which is this camera. So pop that in. Yeah, it's the right way around. That's in. If I then go to, my dog's snoring in the background, if I go to you always get a warning message saying that to check the date and time, or set it even. There you go. So that's it on. You can see the mic's trickling away even though I'm not recording. Let's completely reverse. I think that's reversed back. Just to show you this working as well. If I start touching this, you see the lights flickering on the camera. Shows you that it's accepting the commands. Set at, so I can start recording. Is that recording? No, it's not. Ah, it's pause, that's why. Alright, start again. There you go. It's recording now. See the lights on there. Test 1 2 1 2, test test test. Let's just do a sweep of the camera in my room. Today's date's the 26th of February 2018. This is the eBay demonstration for telewebstar. So if I pause it, I'll stop it on here instead. Oh no, you have to push that. Alright, it stops now. Now if I go to VCR on here, let's load up. Rewind. Now there might be some other footage on here that I did earlier just to test this camera, so we can ignore this or ignore that. this is what. This is it. Yeah, this is definitely it. So this is the, actually I don't think that is it. Oh, I'm going to start again. I'm not confident that showed you everything that I wanted to. Should have started from the beginning, I suppose. Alright. Start again. So back to the A sign. Back to record. Point it at the screen before I start. There you go. Test, test, test. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is for the post-sales video for telewebstar 26th of February 2018. This is for the camcorder ending in 1068. There you go. Oh, I'll tell you what I'll do is I'll show you the zoom working as well. That's for eBay page that I've used to get the sales data. Just do a zoom, sweep, and I'll pause there. There you go. So back on VCR mode. Play. So you can't hear the audio. I'll plug it into a TV so you can hear the audio in a minute. Just be 100% sure. I'll show you this with the viewer on as well. So it does work. I'm just going to rewind it. Oh, stop. Rewind. That's done. I'll plug this in now to show you it working. Before I plug it in, I'm just going to show you the screen working there as well. So if I put this around, I will do a full sweep of the camera to show you this all working as well. There we go. Right, screen's completely blue, which is a good sign. I'm just going to check the SCART at the back of my TV because it does come out quite a lot. I'll tug on the tack cable. So the camera's there. I'm going to push play. Might be a bit loud. Test, test, test. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is for the post-sales video. Webstar 26th of February 2018. This is for the camcorder ending in 1068 as well. That's for eBay page that I've used to get the sales data. Just do a zoom, sweep. There you go. So I'm going to rewind it back. See the remote's working again. You can hear it rewinding. Just do a quick sweep of the camera, and hopefully we can call this a success. So that's the lens. The lens does have camera 1, kit 1 label on it. I'll be honest with you, the camera's a bit, it's not in a bad state, but it's in a used state, which is expected. But just wanted to do a sweep to show you everything as it is at the moment. A bit marks there, but it's just wear and tear. be fair, it's in good state considering considering the age. As you can see, it's come from the defence organisation. Show you this working as well. Show you the tape deck working up and down. So that works. Just turn it off and camera release there. Thank you for watching.